Have you been struggling to get Disney Plus up and running on your TV? You're not alone. Many people have trouble figuring it out. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step so that you can start watching all your favorite Disney movies and shows without stress. So first, let's talk about using a streaming device like Roku. Simply plug it into your TV and follow the simple steps to add Disney Plus to your channel list. It's super easy. Next, if you have a smart TV, you can download the Disney Plus app directly from your TV's app store. Just search for it and hit install. If you don't have a smart TV, you can always use a gaming console like PlayStation or Xbox. Just download the app from their store and you're ready to go. Now, another option is using Apple TV. It works similarly to Roku and is simple to set up. Lastly, try connecting your phone or your tablet with a HDMI cable to your TV. It's a quick and easy way to watch Disney Plus on a larger screen. Now, what are you waiting for? Take control, take action now, start enjoying Disney Plus on your TV today. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.